How to create a basic report in UKG People Analytics, Business Intelligence. Presented by Langley Consulting. In this tutorial, you will learn how to create a basic report in People Analytics for employee information. This tutorial is using IBM Cognos Analytics version 11.2.4 as of July 2025. For your reference, at the end of this tutorial, there will be an icon dictionary showing what each icon means. Step 1. Log in to UKG. Step 2. Click on the administration icon. Step 3. Click Business Intelligence, then click Cognos Analytics. Step 4. Click on Present Data. Step 5. Click Report. Step 6. Here you can either double-click blank, or click Create. Step 7. Click on the Report drop-down, then select Queries. Step 8. Drag and drop the query icon over to the right. Step 9. Right-click and rename the query. Renaming helps make your life easier and keeps everything organized. Step 10. Now that you've renamed the query, double-click on it to open it. Step 11. Click on the Sources icon. Step 12. Click on Select a Source. Step 13. In the Team Content folder, select UltiPro BI Content, then select UltiPro BI for Core HR and Payroll. Then select UltiPro Delivered Packages, then My Employees package. Finally, click Open. Step 14. Click on the drop-down to expand the My Employees folder. Step 15. Hold Ctrl and click on the items you want in your report. For this we just want employee-specific information. Once you have selected everything you want, drag and drop it into the Data Items box. Step 16. We're going to add a filter for employment status. To do this, drag and drop it over to the Detail Filters box. Step 17. Add the expression to the filter. In this case we are adding one to show all employment statuses that are not terminated. Once you add the expression, click on the Validate icon to check for any errors. If there are any, they will show in the information box. Then click OK. Step 18. Click on the View Tabular Data icon. A separate window will open and show you a preview of the query's data items. An option that you can do is relabel the org level to show what it stands for. For example, in this report, we're using org level 4. What does that mean? To find out, we'll go back to UKG. Click on the System Configuration icon. Then click Company Setup and then View All Details. If you don't have access to View All Details, you will need to turn it on in Role Administration. Click Organization and scroll down to see all org level descriptions. Here we can see that org level 4 stands for Bus Line, which is short for Business Line. Go back to your report and click Properties. Then click on the org level header. Scroll down to Data Item and add the org level name to the label box. Again, this step is completely optional and not required. If you did this step, Busline will now be visible on your report. Step 19. Click on the Report drop-down, then select Page 1. Step 20. Click on the Data Items icon. Step 21. Drag and drop the Employee Information query onto the page. Without adding the query to the page, your report will not show any information. As an alternative step, you can choose just a few items from the query. For example, if you only want to include employee name, number and supervisor name in your report, then you would select those items and drag and drop onto the page. Step 22. Click on the drop-down to choose which format you want your report to run as. Here we chose HTML, which opened a separate window with a preview of the report. Step 23. Save your report. Step 23 continued. First, name your report. Choose the Team Content folder. The best practice is to save it under Team Content so it won't get lost or deleted. If you were to save your report under My Content, UKG does not back it up. Then select ZZZ Company folders. For this tutorial, we are using the test environment, so the folder we see is Demo Corporation UXMM002. However, this folder will reflect your company name. Then select UltiPro and then Customs. Finally, click Save. For your reference, we have added this icon dictionary explaining what each icon used in this tutorial means. Sources. This icon is where you will go to choose where you want to get your data from. In this tutorial we chose the My Employees package. Data items. This icon is where all the available data to add to your report will be. Here, you will drag and drop information into your query. Query. This is essentially the data bucket, where you will add all the information you want to show up in your report. Detail filters. Here is where you can filter what you want to see on your report. For example, in this tutorial, we used the less than greater than terminated expression to show all employees that are not terminated. Validate. Once you have added your desired filters, you need to click Validate to ensure there are no errors. Tabular data. Click on this icon to see a preview of your query's data items. Page. This icon is where your report will be run. This is where you can choose which format you want your report to run as. You can choose from multiple options including HTML, PDF, Excel, CSV and XML. Save. Click this icon to save your report. After you click on Save, it will have you rename your report. This will make it easier to find it later. Here are some more helpful icons that we did not use in this tutorial. Cut. This icon allows you to cut data items from your query. Copy. This icon allows you to copy information from one query to another. Paste. This icon allows you to paste whatever information you previously copied. Delete. This icon will delete whatever information you have selected. Undo and redo. These are extremely helpful icons to use while you build your report. We hope you found this tutorial useful. Here at Langley Consulting, we're here to help. If you have any questions, send them to info@langleyconsultingllc.com. If you found this tutorial helpful, please be sure to like and subscribe for more UKG content provided by Langley Consulting.